Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: an iPhone with recent iOS, charged battery, and the YouTube app updated. First, open YouTube and sign in so your preferences persist. If you want background audio from any video without visuals, choose a music or podcast video. If you prefer picture-in-picture, pick a supported video. Once done, make sure you know whether you're using free YouTube, Premium, or the browser workaround, because that determines which method will work reliably. Now execute the main steps. If you have YouTube Premium, play the video, then press home or swipe up. Audio continues and controls show in Control Center. If you don't have Premium, open Safari, go to YouTube. Request the desktop site, start the video, then lock the screen and resume audio via Control Center. For picture-in-picture, enable picture-in-picture in Settings General and use the video player's P button. This keeps video floating while you use other apps. Finish by controlling playback from Control Center or the lock screen. Connect AirPlay or Bluetooth for external speakers. If audio unexpectedly stops when switching apps, reopen YouTube or Safari, confirm background app refresh is on, and check your network. If P won't appear, verify system settings and that the video isn't restricted. When problems persist, restart the iPhone and, if needed, reinstall the YouTube app. Subscribing to Premium eliminates most restrictions and reduces the need for workarounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.